LeaderTech is a global supplier of EMI shielding solutions. Our idea kits provide design and EMC engineers with a broad selection of products to quickly address a multitude of shielding and EMI concerns. LeaderTech's Idea KIT02 includes fingerstock EMI gaskets in various shapes, sizes, and finishes. Fingerstock gaskets are used as ESD contacts or for highly effective shielding in the gaps of enclosures or chassis. They offer a smooth wiping action and a large contact area that compresses when the enclosure is shut or when modules are inserted into the chassis, and offer better mechanical spring characteristics than other gasket types. The kit includes samples of our fabric shielding and wire mesh gaskets, which are a more cost-effective shielding option, while our conductive elastomer products are intended for applications that require excellent shielding combined with protection against dust and moisture. The kit also includes thermal pads that efficiently conduct heat away from a heat source to a heat sink or chassis. For board-level shielding, we offer a variety of standard surface mount and through-hole shields, including vented configurations, two-piece designs, and multi-cavity options. Our slot lock shields provide designers a cost-effective custom solution, while our tech clips are compatible with standard automated assembly processes and allow for post-soldering installation of the shield. We've also included FerriShield ferrite suppressors for cable shielding and examples of our custom stampings that allow you to leverage our design and manufacturing expertise to create a tailor-made solution for your application. LeaderTech manufactures a full line of EMI products to offer the solutions you need. Let us solve your EMI problems. Ask for your own KIT02 Ideas Kit and one will be sent directly to you. Call 866-832-4364 or email sales@leadertechinc.com.